so welcome back to the channel. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to show you guys some gadgets and things that I got from Amazon. Now some of this stuff was sent to me from Amazon sellers, and some of it I did purchase on my own. However, I just want to go through some of this because I think sometimes when you buy these things, it's good to go ahead and put videos out there so that people can see how to use them or what actually comes in the box and if they're worth even purchasing. So before I start off, yes, this is a beauty hair channel. So if you stumbled across this video because you saw that I was going to be reviewing selfie sticks and tripods and microphones stumbled across here, thank you guys for clicking it. Consider subscribing if this is something that you're into. If not, I always like to say this, I understand this is out of your genre. You maybe just wanted to see how this look. So what we're gonna do today is I'm going to just jump into it. I have two selfie stick type things that I got off Amazon. Now I was contacted by the companies about these, so I will go ahead and throw that out there. This is an unbiased review. I've been using it for a while. They kept emailing me and saying, hey, do you like it? Do you like it? And I do like it. I just was using it so much I didn't have time to like make a video about it. They're different. They're from the same company, but they're different products, and that's why I was like, let me just go ahead on and throw both of them in a YouTube video. So here they go. They both come in these brown boxes like this right here. And I think the name of it, I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly, is CamiSafe Innovations for Life. So that is the name. The first one that we're going to go through is going to be this selfie stick. It says it's an all-in-one 45-degree extended phone tripod stand selfie stick. So this one here, it comes wireless and everything. So when it comes in the box, it comes collapsed and it's in this box. This piece here comes on already. You can leave it on or you could take it off to adjust it and put something else on there. Like if you, and the reason why I say that, if you want to take one of your lights, I have a light source, and you could screw that on. Anything that had a screw about that size, you could put that on there, and then you can use this as like additional lighting to shine on you or something like that if you are filming or you do YouTube. So, but to use it how it comes or what it's intended for is you're going to just take that and screw that piece on there. Then you're going to get the holder. The holder's nice. You can extend it. It's just like any other one. You do get rubber right here on that part, so you can pull it, you know, to extend it out. Put a phone or a camera in there, and then you're going to take that and you're going to put it and screw it onto here like so. Okay, now I like this because this here is adjustable, so you can kind of turn it this way or that way. You see how that goes? So that's good. So if you want to do it as far as the camera being this way or your phone being this way or something, you can. Or if you want to have it upright and you want to put your phone in there the long way, you can. So what I'm going to do is show you the bottom of it. Let me get that together. So this is the shutter that comes on here. This piece does come off. See, you can take it off. It clamps onto the legs, any one of the legs. You can just clamp it on there, and then you're gonna take it and you can connect this shutter here to your camera. So if you are somewhere and you want to take a picture, you just can set it up and then you can just push it and then it will go ahead and take a picture. I want to let you guys know that you do get a charging cord with this as well. So you do get a USB charging cord so that you can charge it. Now another thing that I like about this company, and I feel like that, well, this particular stick, is that they got the rubber at the bottom of it, the rubber pieces at the bottom, so it doesn't slip. So I've been using this one here for like a month. They were asking me about did I like it. I'm thinking, yeah, I absolutely love it. I keep using it. I have so many other different like selfie sticks or tripods, but I've been using this one lately just because I absolutely love it. Plus I love how it turns. If I want to take a picture or something, I can just turn the head of it. I don't have to be worrying about taking the phone out so much if I don't want to do that. So I like it for that as well. I like this piece here as well. You can loosen it up to get it to turn how you want or to get it as stiff as you want. Another thing I like about this piece is I'm gonna sit this up the long way, and then this is how long this is going to come out, and you guys see how long that is. That is pretty long. So if you need to do your selfie, you can do your selfies. Pop, 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 pop with the stick. I love that. Another thing I like about this is that it has this plastic piece in between. The reason I mention that is because I literally have so many of these, and that plastic piece is what keeps it from losing grip and slipping down. A couple of these that I have that are metal like this, that's the problem that I had with it, is that the grooves in there end up giving out. So when I put my phone on there, it would be too heavy, and over time it would just go slipping down, 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 and down. I have another one from another Amazon seller that's what happened, and they were actually kind enough to send me the parts for free. So I may show you guys that on a later video. But this is another thing that I like about this, is that it comes with a bag. So they give you this cute little bag. It's a carrying bag so that you can just carry it in, and I think that that's actually really cute. So you just can slide it down into the bag, and then you can just carry it. Now, if you don't want this piece sticking up, I'm pretty sure you can just slide it on the side of it, and then it's not like sticking all the way up like that, and then you can just have it in a nice little bag, and it is perfect just like that. Here, I have been using a lot. I do like it. Does retail for about $20 on Amazon. It says you can't use it with your 11 Pro. You can't use it with the 10, the Galaxies. Like I said, you can pretty much use it with anything, and you can use it with your camera, depending on the size of your camera. I have a smaller camera. I was looking for the one that I use sometimes that I do use this with. You can just put it in there. And the next one that we have comes to us from the same company, as I mentioned. And this one here is very much different than the other one, because you get these great legs on it, and I love these rubber legs. So the name of this one, I'm just going to give you the name. It is called the Phone Tripod Portable and Flexible Adjustable Cell Phone Stand Holder with Remote and Universal Clip. So I'm going to show you pieces you get in the box. The pieces that you get in the box is going to be the universal clip. Again, the clip is pretty much the same as the other one. You do get this here, which is going to be the remote control. I have not used this one so far. Yeah, things that you can do with this. You can just lay it places and put it on things and take all kind of funny pictures, upside down pictures and things like that. So I really, really, really like this one. I've always wanted one. I don't have one with these legs like this, but I love it. So again, the screw on this is just a universal, as far as like the other one was as well. If you have most camera equipment and things will fit on here. So I'm just going to screw that on like so. Like I said, they do put a little bit of thought in theirs, because I like that it has this pad right here. Now, I saw that and I didn't know if it could be removed, which I don't think it can. Oh, it can. Okay, so the great thing about this is this can be removed. Okay, and this does come off, and you can slide this in there just like that. Legs pretty much how you want. Take them off. I'm going to show you how to put it back on. That's putting it back on. So if you want to shorten it or something like that, I think the other ones come off as well. Yes, it's right here. It's a little joint in here. See, and you can like take the legs off, and you can make it shorter if you wanted to. You could take all of them off. They kind of come off at the same place, and you just put it back in. I'm going to show you guys about this clip. So this piece here, when you slide it in like that, you can hit the back button for it to come off. Okay, so that is that. So those are the two portable selfie stick / tripod things that I want to show you from CamiSafe. The next thing that I want to show you guys comes to us from Pop Voice. I ended up upgrading and wanting to get another microphone, and I ended up going with this company here. They get pretty good reviews on Amazon, and so I wanted to go with it. So this here, like I said, is Pop Voice, and I don't know a lot about microphones, but I like this one because I read a lot of reviews on it, and it said that it was pretty good. As you know, with people working from home, a lot of stuff is gone in the stores. I went to, I want to say, Best Buy to get some stuff and could not. Now, it's going to show you how to use it. They definitely give you how to use it, paperwork how to use it, or instructions of use, excuse me, you guys, on what to do and how to use it and where to put it at, as far as if you're going to do it with a mobile phone, laptop, PC, or whatever. Of course, I'm using mine with my phone, or I might be using it with my camera. It all depends. More than likely, I'll probably be using it with my phone. So let me go ahead on and show you guys what it comes with. So this is the microphone, and this is how it comes. So this is how it comes, and you can just clamp it or clip it wherever you want to clip it at. And then you're going to take this piece here and you're going to put it into your camera now, or your phone or your PC. Now, if you are a person that has an iPhone 10 or up, as you know, you do not get a place for the audio. You have to go ahead on and get you a lightning head jack adapter. And so I did pick up one of those. So if I want to blog with my phone, and you can get these from Amazon. I did order this one from Amazon. I had so many of these, y'all. I know. So this is the box that it comes in, and this is the little piece that you'll need. All you're going to do is just connect this here to that. And then that turns into something for your iPhone so you can use. I think the quality on it sounds pretty good. I used it, I don't know when. I think I was vlogging and I used it to do some vlogs or something like that. But I like it. I just have to remember to use it. And then sometimes I forget to just plug it up and use it. But it is nice. It does give you nice sound quality. So if you guys are interested in picking up this, I will definitely leave information for it in the description box below.